Welcome to Industry Insights. Today's focus is the PackMach Asia Expo and Drinktec India show, which transpired in Mumbai a month ago. Our focus is essentially going to be about bio-adhesives to robotics. So, over to you, Abhay.
Yeah, PackMach Drinktec bright and new.
Held a show for me and you,
Packaging and drinks so grand.
leaders who met across the land,
In 2025 they did meet.
to talk about packaging future, oh so sweet,
Bottles, boxes fast and clear.
and what'll come in the next year.
All the makers wise and great.
Plan the way for what they create.
For the future of the food and drink.
A clever plan for every blink. Well done, Abhay. So let's just kick on with the episode itself. I've been following some of the work that you and the What Packaging team, mentored by you, have been doing on the ground at the PackMac and Drinktec show. Quick first question for you: can you summarize some of the key product highlights, at least from the major exhibitors? I know there were hundreds and hundreds of these guys, but if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can, yes,
Yeah, a lot of exciting technology was there on display.
okay. So let's start off with, say, ClearPack Group. I saw you had spent considerable amount of time at their stall. I know that they focused on printed shrink pack systems. So what is it
Yes.
about ClearPack Group that we should know?
Yes, exactly. So ClearPack systems, they are gaining traction
Hmm.
as brands move from transparent film to branded wraps.
Okay.
So this requires accurate registration.
Mm-hmm.
ClearPack also announced its plans to debut a new in-house blow molding machine next year.
Okay.
So this is to enable a blow fill cap configuration for certain types of applications.
Interesting. So hopefully this machine will be ready for the Plast India show and also for Interpack in Dusseldorf.
Yes.
Nice. Uh, mm, the other sort of stall which looked interesting was Ace Technologies. They showcased integrated F&B processing and brewery systems, and again spotted you at their stall, right?
Yes. But a key highlight of their stall was their inspection solutions.
Inspection. And so inspections actually been one of the segments which has taken off considerably,
Yes,
and
yes.
a lot transpiring in that space. So if you can share what happened at the Ace Technology stall and how did they deploy inspection for integrated F&B systems?
Yes. So ACE featured its US based slight line optical inspection systems from KPM.
Oh, okay.
So these detect burnt, cracked, or deformed bakery products using camera lenses. Yeah, and ACE also featured bottle inspection, open can inspection from Filtech, and metal detection, and checkware system from its Thermo Scientific.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice, nice. So you have KPM involved, you have Filtech involved, you have Thermoscientific involved.
Yes,
Interesting.
exactly.
And Videojet, again, that's a company that seems to be doing a lot of very interesting things on the ground. What was the
Yes.
buzz like? Again, I had an opportunity to get a demo from one of their, tech people.
Wow.
I saw something in coding and marking portfolio as part of their coding and marking portfolio. So basically, CIJ, that is continuous inkjet,
Yes.
laser marking, thermal inkjet, thermal transfer over printing. But I would like to know, since you are the packaging technologist and you are the voice of sanity
Oh
for the
God.
industry, what according to you was the highlight from Videojet?
Yeah, so Videojet highlighted their Videojet 3210 laser series. This is for its high marking speeds up to around 1300 characters per second.
Nice.
Yeah, and this has a wide range of supported features.
Interesting,
Yeah.
interesting. Just so that I know you've been getting all the showing off rights, let me tell you that I also did a bit of work. I visited the Tetra Pak stall.
Wow, please organize a visit, yaar. Please,
You
to their
mean to
Pune
the?
factory,
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought you wanted to go to Lasson all the way to Switzerland. Yes, yes. So again, interesting. I will of course reach out to Tetra Pak. We are in touch with, I think, their team in Gurgaon, and of course there's Subodh Kulkarni who's now returned, and we can probably, hopefully, if one of them listens to this, we'll just a shout out to the Tetra Pak team.
Thank
Anyway,
you.
I think basically what they did at the stall was quite interesting. There was something called the Tetra Pak Factory OS.
Oh, what is that?
Yes. So it's a kind of an open, modular, and scalable system for hardware and software. And what was interesting was how you can run these sort of mega factories and basically accelerate digital transformation by connecting the equipment on the shop floor the data and the people. And so obviously a couple of things, measurement and then
Yeah.
continuous improvement within that. Quite interesting. And what was nice was I think I was lucky to get two case study insights of two factories in Tamil Nadu.
Oh,
So again, I don't know
wow.
whether I'm permitted to divulge the names of the brands, but two big milk dairy brands in Tamil Nadu. So which I guess people can guess who I'm talking of. Yeah, but very impressive.
Noise. So yeah, a
Yes.
centralized system
Yeah.
that can provide real-time insights and quality data. So
Absolutely. So Abhay, we have covered processing to
yes.
some extent and marking. Let's now focus on your USP and forte, which is end of line solutions and a little bit about materials.
Yes, so definitely.
Mm.
So on the materials and end of line automation, I was really impressed with Rothe PackTech.
Right. This
Yes.
is again Pune based, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
again,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Mm.
So Rothe demonstrated its robotic palletizing and depalletizing systems. This
Mm.
is to automate material movement between conveyor belts and pallets. Yeah,
Mm.
this focused on reducing manual handling of cartons and packaged goods.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Interesting because I think we saw quite a few robotic palletizing and depalletizing system. We'd also met the team from Coimbatore, if you
Oh
remember.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
right. Interesting what they've been doing in terms of, the giant strides. We conducted that interview with the gentleman. He's come back from the US. Again, I've just completely blanked out on the name, which is not. Anyway, moving on. Alpla, any highlights from their rigid packaging portfolio?
Oh yes. So Alpla was literally a gallery of PET and HDP bottles,
Mm.
jars, and caps.
Okay.
Yeah, their point was the interest in fully recyclable PET bottles for the
Mm.
alcohol industry. And the
Nice.
interesting thing is, these were designed to look like glass.
Very interesting.
Yes.
Very. I think that's again one for us to probably dedicate an entire podcast to this
Yes. Yes.
because I think
Definitely.
enormous. You remember we had done some work on Bisleri as part of mapping
Yeah.
some of the things they're doing with the shoulder and with the
Yes.
thermoforming for their bottles. So probably this is a space we should.
Definitely.
Okay, moving on, Neil Kamal. So I know because again spent a bit of time, but the USP was the 100% recyclable in-house PP stacking sheet.
Hmm.
So anything that I or the listeners need to know about Neil Kamal?
Yes. So these 100% recyclable in-house PP stacking sheets,
Mm.
these are sustainable alternative to traditional sunboards
Okay.
and printed branding boards.
Mm.
And these are capable of bearing over 20 kgs per sheet,
Mm.
especially for heavy duty industrial applications.
Okay, so 20 kilograms. That's
Yes.
fairly substantial. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Nice. And adhesives. I know there were many players there. There was Bostik and I think others as well. But again, I spotted you interacting with the top management of Pidilite, right?
Yes.
They've been on the sort of on the go in many fronts. X number of factories across the country. They've got something interesting at Daman Vapi. So, what's the update on adhesive solutions?
Oh, yes. So, a major advancement Pidilite highlighted was them catering to sustainability standards.
Okay.
This they achieved by offering bio-based hot melt adhesives,
Mm.
which is around 70 to 80% bio-based.
Oh,
And
interesting.
another thing is it is mineral oil free grade adhesives. Yeah. So these prevent migration into the product. Yeah.
Interesting. Again, lucky, we to see applications because I think the Nordson, the robotics of the world.
Yeah.
So you also get to see end user application to these adhesives, and you
Yes.
begin to realize how it actually translates on the product.
Yes.
Eye opener, absolute eye opener. So anyway, it sounds like from whatever you've shared, and I know this is just a very short snapshot, but sustainability seems to be one of the themes. Digitization seems to be another themes, and any other themes that you would like to highlight?
Oh, yes. So there were certainly many such themes spoken about during the PackMach and Drinktec show. Manjunath Nadella of Strides Pharma,
Okay.
he outlined a framework for sustainability focusing on design optimization, sustainable solutions, and leveraging technology and operations.
Okay, nice. Yeah, but this is again, sort of in a way intention and in a way sort of talking points, but any
Yes.
tangible examples that you can share, because that always connects with our viewers. Yeah,
Yes,
I mean our
yes.
listeners. Sorry.
Yes, yes. So we saw Jay Sridhar of Pure Play.
Okay.
He gave a concrete example.
Mm.
Yeah. He cited the use of in-mold labeling
Okay.
(IML) on PET bottles, which is a game changer for reducing adhesive use, label
Mm.
material, and freight costs.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Again, trivia for I think some of our listeners is Jay Sridhar is also one of our jury members for the
Yeah.
awards,
Yep.
right? So that's so a good shout out for Jay Sridhar. So I guess in addition to the two that you've shared, design optimization and also the examples in terms of certain kind of work being a game changer because of reduction,
Yeah.
digitization and traceability seems to be the other buzzwords, right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
And again, some of the conversations we've had with a few of the vendors, I mean, I don't think they're as rigorous as the conversations you've had, but people are talking about 100% digital traceability, that, use of barcoding, use
Yeah.
of QR codes. So in a way, more stringent compliance standards and strategies to sort of ensure that this can be happening on the pack, correct?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
And even Amit Kale of Reliance Retail, he
Mm.
highlighted that real-time data
Mm.
helps reduce wastage in logistics.
Okay.
He even envisioned a future of packaging SIM cards,
Okay.
activated QR codes.
Mm.
This is to reduce the need for multicolor printing.
Okay. So so this would be what you are able to print on do a print job and with a certain color gamut of inks, or how does this work?
Yes, yes, with a
Mm.
certain color gamut of things.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Anything on packaging machinery? I mean, again, there was a lot of chatter about 4.0,
Yeah.
packaging machinery
Yes.
4.0. So, anything happening on that in that department?
Yes. So packaging machinery 4.0 derived from industry 4.0. This was this was defined as an intelligent data driven ecosystem.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we've heard that before. So,
Yes.
can you please explain how?
Yes. So Sanjay Madan of Imami,
Okay. Mm.
he said that true transformation happens
Mm.
when all elements of the line are connected.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Say, for instance, a finished product camera signaling the initial filling machine for immediate correction.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the sort of predictive and preventive maintenance that
Interesting.
should be inculcated.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And if Imami is pulling it off, it obviously would be sizable,
Of course,
right?
yes.
Scale and all of that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay, so all this you've obviously shared with us, and thank you for doing it. The various stalls you visited, the various conversations you've had, etc. Some of the experts to whom you've been paying heed to.
Thanks to you, Ramu.
Yes, okay, but Abhay, now the ball is firmly in your court. Two things which resonated with you as a packaging technologist.
Yeah. So two things which I didn't mention before.
Okay.
Two key takeaways.
Mhm.
One is that Dvijesh Nair of Pidilite,
Mm.
he emphasized the importance of predictive maintenance,
Okay.
like I said before.
Mm.
Yeah, and this anticipates failure by analyzing data over traditional scheduled maintenance.
Mhm.
So it is predicted that the machine will fail or some loss of data would happen.
हम्म सो दुरुस्ती करते रहो
Yes.
ठीक है और दूसरा
Dusra is that Ranjan Singh Chadda of Festo India.
nice
Yes, so he
this
focus-
is the Bangalore based and who now have that factory in Hosur.
Yes, yes.
correct
Yes.
amazing. I mean, it's again interesting what that company is doing.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So Ranjan Singh Chadda of Festo India focused on sustainability through smarter products, which conserve resources such as tools for energy audits and analyzing air consumption.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I think more should be sort of out there in the public domain about these kind of initiatives.
Yes,
No? So,
yes.
what you shared about Imami and what Sanjay Madanji told you, or what Chadda Saab of Festo India.
Yes.
I think then it obviously then the trickle down of that knowledge would just make more sense. Anyway.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, great. Any final words, Abhay, in your true blue Slim Shandy andaz?
Okay, I'll try. Arz kya hai?
Irshad, Abhay Janab.
Yo, check the blueprint. Factories on the rise. 7 announcement under the December skies.
Wow.
From the manufacturing base, watch the operation grow. Innovative packaging putting on a sustainable show.
Wow.
Capacity jumping, processes optimized and tight. Inauguration in 2026. The future is shining bright.
Yes, the future is indeed shining bright. Wow. So thank you so much, Abhay Saab, for doing all this.
Thanks to you, Ramu, for
Yeah.
joining us.
Gee, so this is Ramu Ramanathan, and hope to see And hope that all of you join us for the next Industry Insights by What Packaging. Stay tuned for more.
Thank you.
Aaujo, maliye apde.